Hi everybody, it's Tuesday, April 7th, and we're going to get started on our math review. So go ahead and get your paper and your pencil so we can get started. The first question I have for you today is, how many groups of 10 are in 58? So go ahead and draw the picture of the number 58. Draw the 10s and the 1s, and then I want you to just focus on the 10s. How many 10s are in the number 58? Okay, let's take a look at those pictures. Your picture for 58 should look like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So the 10s are these big long lines when I was counting by 10s. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. The answer to number 1 was 5. 5 groups of 10 in the number 58. On number 2, I want to know, how many sides does a pentagon have? How many sides does a pentagon have? So if you need to, go ahead and draw a picture of a pentagon and count the number of sides. All right, let's take a look at those pentagons. Pentagons have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Look at that, number 1 and number 2. The answers were 5. 5 sides on a pentagon. Number 3 says, how many hands do 8 people have? So make a picture for that. How many hands do 8 people have? I'm going to give you a little time to make the picture, and then I want you to count. Figure out how many hands do 8 people have. Okay, so when you're drawing the people, remember we're just making a math picture and we need to see their hands. So here's one person, their hands. 2 people, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, we're counting their hands, so I don't need to draw the fingers or the toes today. Here are my hands. Now I'm ready to count the hands. I drew 2 hands on each people, so I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8 people would have 16 hands. I counted by 2 because people have 2 hands. Number 4 says, put these numbers in order from smallest to largest. So I want you to write these numbers the way I'm saying them, and then you're going to put them in order. 40, 42, 39, 41, 43. Write those numbers on your paper. 40, 42, 39, 41, and 43. After you write them down, I want you to put them in order from smallest to largest. When I'm trying to put numbers in order from smallest to largest, I want to start by looking at the tens column. So I see 4 10s, 4 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 4 10s. I can see that they all start with 4 except for this one. 3 10s is the smallest number, 39. I like to cross it off to make sure I don't use it again. Now I can think about my numbers that started with 4 10s. I have to look at the ones column. 0, 2, 1, 3. I know 0 is the smallest. 40, 41, 42, 43. You can check your work by listening to yourself and make sure it sounds like counting. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Then you know the numbers are in order from smallest to largest. Number 6 says circle the smallest number. Listen to the numbers. I want you to write them on your paper. 48, 51, 60, 44. Write those numbers on your paper. 48, 51, 60, and 44. After you write them, I want you to find the smallest number and circle it. Again, you want to look at the tens column. We've got 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 4 tens. 4 is smaller than 5 and 6. Now I have to look at the ones. 8 ones and 4 ones. Which one's smaller? 4. 4 is smaller than 8, so 44 is the smallest number. On the last question, I want you to draw an ABC pattern. Go ahead and draw an ABC pattern. Think about how many things you need and how you're going to show that that's a pattern and it repeats. When you're making an ABC pattern, you need to use 3 different things. So today I'm going to use shapes. I'm going to do a triangle, circle, and a square. Triangle, circle, and a square. That's an ABC pattern. Triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square. Thanks for working with me today, guys. See you tomorrow.